All right, let's take you outside to Poway, where we are seeing those clear skies, and we are seeing those winds starting to pick up. They'll continue to build as we head into tonight. Right now, Alpine, Harrison Park, Otay Mountain, Julian, all seeing gusts of 20 miles per hour or a little bit higher. Pine Valley is at about 10 miles per hour right now. Those peak winds will arrive tonight, but we're looking at peak winds maybe up to 50 miles per hour. I think most will be less than 40, which is what we're seeing right now. Only a few gusts have actually exceeded over 30 miles per hour since midnight. We are seeing a spread in our temperatures right now. It's 57 in Del Mar, mostly 60s for the inland neighborhoods, but Ramona, Alpine, Hamul, and Fallbrook all in the 70s right now, mid-70s in the deserts, mid-60s for some of our mountain areas. And it's going to be significantly warmer tomorrow and even into Thursday, but tomorrow's going to be the warmest day of the week. Humidity levels are coming down, but it's not bone dry. We're not talking about single-digit humidity levels, but we are down into the 20s for the drier spots. So that, coupled with the increasing wind and the critically low fuel moisture, it does lead to elevated fire danger. So be extra fire safe, especially over the next 24 hours. We're looking at highs near 80 for some coastal areas tomorrow. Oceanside and in Carlsbad, 77 in downtown and in Chula Vista. Mid-80s for the inland neighborhoods, and Ramona at 83 would set a new record. Alpine at 80 would tie their record high for tomorrow. Borrego Springs is also going to be very close to a record high tomorrow. High pressure pushing that storm track much farther to the north. So there's going to be a lot of storms. They are just not going to be anywhere close to us. We're going to be dealing with those Santa Ana winds. And actually for most of this week, our 10 News Futurecast showing that by 9 o'clock tonight, that's kind of when the peak winds are going to be arriving. And again, we're not seeing widespread gusts. It's a fairly localized event for some inland neighborhoods, but mostly the foothill and the mountains. So here's those offshore winds that we're seeing right now. They continue as we head into tonight, but pick up. Then they continue through Wednesday. They even continue through Thursday. And then Friday, they start to get a little bit more variable. Friday is going to be our transition day out of this pattern. Saturday, the sea breeze returns, and with storms passing by to the north of us, we will notice more clouds. So mostly partly cloudy skies in the forecast heading into the weekend. There is a small chance we could see some rain on Tuesday. Latest forecast models are looking like that storm may stay to the north, but we're back in the 60s this weekend into next week, Christmas week, for our coast. Inland neighborhoods, we're going to be in the 80s the next couple of days. Really nice into early next week. Low 70s is still about 5-7 degrees above normal. The mountains will be in the mid 60s the next several days, only dropping to the low 60s. Friendly reminder, low 50s is average here, and the deserts also should be in the 60s. We're going to be closer to 80 several days.